Hi everyone, and welcome to this new video. Java 24 has finally been released, and in this video, we'll discuss the main updates. Let's get started. First of all, we have compact object headers, where Java 24 reduces header size from 128 bits to 64 bits. But what does this mean? It means we can now have more objects in the same amount of space, improving memory management. Here on screen, you can see a practical Java code example demonstrating the difference between before and after. The result: more efficient memory allocation, perfect for high-performance applications. Next, we have the Key Derivation API. Now you can generate cryptographic keys more easily and securely without external dependencies. And what does this mean? It means enhanced security, as we can now transition from external libraries to Java's standard API in our code. Okay? Here on screen, you'll now see a small snippet of the code. Great! This is a practical example of how to use Java's new APIs. Thirdly, we have the permanent removal of the security manager. But be careful, as this is a significant update. If your code still contains methods that depend on the security manager, it will no longer work since it's been completely removed. So how do we solve this issue? By using Docker or containers to isolate applications, or alternatively, Java modules to restrict access to sensitive APIs. The fourth update is early class loading and linking. This improvement makes your code faster right from the start, as the Java virtual machine can now preload and prelink classes in advance, significantly reducing application startup times. Here on screen is a practical example of how to enable class preloading. Lastly, we have virtual thread synchronization without pinning in the class file API. Regarding virtual thread synchronization, what can we say? Now, when a virtual thread is blocked in a synchronized block, the underlying platform thread is released, enhancing efficiency. Meanwhile, regarding the class file API, for those working with bytecode, Java 24 introduces a new class file API that allows easier and standardized analysis and modification of class files. All right, these were all the updates in Java 24. Now let's recap. Lighter headers meaning less memory usage. Security APIs, making key derivation easier. Security manager removal, requiring code updates. Early class loading, resulting in faster startups. Class file API, better bytecode management. Optimized threads, improve concurrency handling. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to support this project, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos.